So, everybody, my name is Paul out in Pleasant Meadow Creamery, and it's a beautiful Sunday afternoon. As we all know, a Sunday is, for a lot of people, a day of rest and relaxation, and rest and renewal. Well, since I am building a dairy, I don't get all that good time. So I have to redefine what a good time is and what rest and relaxation is. And so I'm redefining it today. We have this tree is a larch, and it's right next to the road. I've never found that very convenient, but most importantly, it seems to have died. And then I'm contemplating this one. This is a beautiful aspen tree, a split aspen. I don't know. See all those branches up there? That's a lot of, shall we say, slash. Anyway, but all of those guys, that would be a big mess. But my concern is if you look up there, that aspen seems to be sort of having issues, but it hasn't gotten any worse since that happened. What happened was we had a big slash pile out here, and then it was right here, and it was so hot that, as you can see, the tree got cooked on this side, and that seems to have led to its partial demise. So when I have an excavator here like that, I just tend to think, well, maybe I should just take that down. And then I've got a couple dead trees over here which need to come out. And then we got those three aspens over there. One's broken off, and every time we get a strong north wind, they concern me. Plus, down at the base, there's a lot of brush growing, and and then little aspens growing into the garden. That's never good. So all that to say, we for sure are going to take out this larch, and I'm still, see, now we're going to build a milking parlor right here, and my concern is this aspen on a strong north wind, some of that stuff's going to start to break off. And the only issue is, I don't really have a good path of falling for this, except to fall it over that direction toward where the cows live. That would be the heifers. And anyway, it's going to be a big mess. But thought y'all would be interested in at least seeing how we take some of these things down. And maybe the first ones to take down might be, well, I was kind of thinking of my position. I can hit those birches on the way back, so we probably won't do those right now. And I don't want to make this huge, long, and boring. But we'll go ahead and do the larch. And the larch is, it's going to get turned into, you can see I have a sawmill over here with a bunch of stinging nettle growing next to it. Anyway, the sawmill is for milling lumber, and we need to build a cow barn, another one. And so this larch has something good in it. He's not very big, but he's super tall, super straight. So we're going to turn him into something useful. And right now, we're going to climb up in this Cat 320E. And then we have to find a spot for you. And I think maybe for you, hopefully, being on the back might be a decent enough view. We'll see. And then hopefully you're going to stick here. Lock in place. There you go. Alright. So we're going to at least take down this larch. Cut it up, pick it up. All that fun stuff. And you'll see how we do this. Turn off the music, since it's going to be terrible music. Sorry to say. Alright, so go over, I'm gonna kind of grab them on the right side. I'm watching my trees behind me too. So I'm gonna position myself right here. And hopefully the sun right in my eye. Excavator into the cedars that are behind me. But basically, I'm kind of cleaning off that root ball. Push him out. You gotta fill in the hole, you know. That is how easy those trees go down, but then look at all the mess on the road. So fun part. Now the best way to finish them off is as far as that stump, we got to separate it from the rest of his formerly living body. Cows, by the way, didn't even get up. Sides, nice excavator, broken the glass, or broken the mirrors. There are mirrors over on that side. We wouldn't do that. Someone actually broke it. It's broken, and hopefully that's noted on the paperwork. And when I rent these things, they just drop them off at the front, and I call them when I'm done, and they can pick it up. And then if I did any damage to it, I'll tell them. Alright, he looks like a really clean hole. So now I'm going to jump out there. We're going to shut down the machine. I'm going to leave you in here. Actually, I should position so that you might have a clearer view. Let me change your angle slightly. You're seeing this. Wow. I'm going to set this guy down on the ground. I'm going to go do chainsawing. Right there. Chainsaw that real quickly, and then we'll pick it all up.